Welcome to the channel Dynamics Global. For decades, Canada has been a beacon of hope and opportunity for immigrants worldwide, celebrated for its diversity, safety, and strong economy. However, in 2024, a growing trend reveals that fewer newcomers are choosing Canada as their destination or are reconsidering their decisions shortly after arriving. This shift raises questions about the factors contributing to the declining appeal of a country once viewed as a top choice for migrants. Key influences include economic challenges, housing affordability, systemic barriers, and evolving global competition. Key factors contributing to declining interest. 1. Economic challenges: stagnant wages and rising costs. Many newcomers face difficulty finding well-paying jobs, especially in fields matching their qualifications. Despite Canada's reputation for opportunity, wage growth has not kept pace with inflation, reducing the purchasing power of families. Limited employment prospects: professional newcomers often encounter challenges in getting their foreign credentials recognized, leading to underemployment or unemployment. Economic uncertainty: in 2024, Canada's economy is grappling with slow growth, exacerbating competition for jobs and increasing financial insecurity. 2. Housing crisis: unaffordable housing. The skyrocketing cost of housing in major cities like Toronto and Vancouver makes it challenging for newcomers to settle comfortably. Rental markets are equally strained, with high demand and insufficient supply. Rural settlement barriers: while rural areas offer more affordable housing, limited job opportunities, infrastructure, and social isolation deter newcomers from relocating to these regions. 3. Systemic barriers: credential recognition issues. Professionals such as doctors, engineers, and teachers often face lengthy and costly processes to have their credentials recognized, delaying or hindering their integration. Workplace discrimination: subtle and overt discrimination remains an obstacle, with many newcomers reporting challenges in advancing their careers due to biases. Language barriers: language proficiency requirements for jobs and day-to-day communication add another layer of difficulty for immigrants, especially those not fluent in English or French. 4. Immigration policies and bureaucracy: overcrowded systems, long wait times for permanent residency applications, visa processing, and family reunification programs frustrate newcomers. High immigration targets: Canada's ambitious immigration targets have stretched resources thin, reducing the quality of settlement services and integration programs. Lack of tailored support: settlement programs often provide generic solutions rather than addressing the unique needs of diverse immigrant groups. 5. Evolving global competition: alternative destinations. Countries like Australia, New Zealand, and Germany are becoming more attractive to immigrants due to streamlined immigration processes, competitive job markets, and comparable quality of life. Remote work opportunities: the global rise of remote work enables professionals to live in cost-effective countries while working for organizations in higher-paying regions, bypassing immigration altogether. 6. Cultural and social adjustments: cultural isolation. Despite its multicultural identity, newcomers often feel excluded or struggle to adapt to Canadian cultural norms. Climate challenges: Canada's harsh winters, especially for immigrants from warmer climates, remain a deterrent for many. Healthcare delays: while Canada offers universal healthcare, long wait times and difficulty accessing primary care have disillusioned some newcomers expecting robust medical support. Implications of the trend: the declining interest in Canada as a destination for immigrants has significant implications. Economic impacts: a reduced inflow of skilled workers could exacerbate labor shortages in critical sectors like healthcare, technology, and construction. Demographic challenges: with an aging population, fewer immigrants may hinder Canada's ability to sustain its workforce and social services. Global reputation: a decline in immigrant satisfaction could tarnish Canada's image as a welcoming and progressive nation. Recommendations for rebuilding appeal: to address these challenges, Canada must take proactive steps: economic reforms, introduce programs that ensure wage growth and enhance employment opportunities for newcomers. Affordable housing initiatives: invest in creating affordable housing options in urban and rural areas. Streamlined credential recognition: simplify and expedite the process for foreign trained professionals to enter the workforce. Enhanced settlement services: Offer more tailored and robust support to newcomers, including language training, job placement, and cultural orientation programs. Policy overhaul. Reduce bureaucratic delays and improve the efficiency of immigration processes. Conclusion. Canada's declining appeal to newcomers in 2024 is a multifaceted issue rooted in economic, social, and systemic challenges. By addressing these barriers, the country can reclaim its position as a global leader in immigration and a land of opportunity for all. Policymakers must act decisively to ensure Canada remains a vibrant, inclusive, and prosperous destination for future generations. Thanks for watching this video.